Getting into trading is a recommendation I'd extend to anyone worldwide. It offers the potential to earn between $1,000 and $10,000 daily, requiring just 1 to 2 hours of commitment per day. Nevertheless, it's not an instant achievement. Generating $10,000 in a day doesn't happen overnight. Acquiring this skill demands immense dedication and a resilient mindset. Once mastered, the possibilities for growth and life enhancement through trading are limitless. Personally, it took me roughly 2 years to see even a $1 return from my trading investments. Achieving success as a trader required this time frame, although it could have been shorter had I avoided 4 critical mistakes, which I'll delve into in this video. These pitfalls are commonly made by 99% of novice traders, including myself. By the end of this video, you'll gain clarity on these errors, saving considerable time. Firstly, fixating solely on one market is crucial. Despite numerous trading options like futures, indices, Forex, and crypto, succumbing to the allure of trading every available market is a prevalent blunder known as the shiny object syndrome. Contrary to the belief that more trading equals more profit, success lies in focusing on a single market. My breakthrough came when I concentrated solely on one market and one pair. Juggling multiple markets stunts growth. Hence, my advice is to commit to one market, whether it's futures, Forex, or crypto, without wavering. Allow time for strategy development and learning, enabling you to recognize consistent market patterns for profitable opportunities. Continually switching markets hinders pattern recognition and progress. To illustrate, learning trading resembles mastering a language. Each market represents a distinct language, futures as English, indices as Spanish, crypto as Russian, and Forex as Italian. Attempting to learn all simultaneously results in confusion and minimal fluency. Focus on mastering one language relevant to your circumstances, then proceed to others sequentially. Attempting too many simultaneously leads to inefficiency and frustration. Additionally, in a manner akin to selecting a language, you must also choose a mentor to guide you in trading. While online resources and e-courses are available, they all involve someone teaching you. Therefore, it's crucial to pick a single teacher to adopt their teaching style, including their accent and nuances. This principle applies directly to trading. Once you find your mentor, stick with them. Even if their teaching pace seems slow or initially difficult to grasp, persevere. I recommend dedicating at least 6 months to a mentor to fully comprehend and master this new skill. Starting from scratch can be bewildering and frustrating, but quitting within the first few weeks denies your mentor the opportunity to prove their worth. Seek a mentor who resonates with you, provides motivation, and, most importantly, demonstrates results, indicating their expertise and the practicality of their teachings. Similarly, just as you focus on one market, you should concentrate on one mentor to expedite your learning process. Personally, I had tried learning from 8 different mentors before achieving profitability by committing to one. While any of those mentors could have potentially been successful, my lack of commitment hindered progress. Only when I decided to stick with one mentor did I witness significant improvement. This experience isn't unique to me, it's a principle I emphasize during my weekly calls with my students. Each week, I review my top trading strategies to underscore the importance of consistency in achieving success. Unlike many educators who offer pre-recorded courses, I provide ongoing mentorship, teaching not just trading techniques, but also how to implement them alongside me. The real key to success lies in consistency, allowing strategies to mature and mastering their application in the market to capitalize effectively. Now, on to the next topic, which is something I personally fell prey to when I began seeing substantial results: adhering to your trading plan. Many traders experience a significant breakthrough. Perhaps they surpass their initial hurdles, double their account, or make their first significant profits. At this point, you might feel like you're on top of the world, invincible. However, this euphoria can be one of the most perilous moments in your trading journey. The danger lies in becoming complacent, deviating from your established trading plan because of newfound comfort. Suddenly, a losing streak ensues, shattering your winning streak and leading to self-doubt and questioning your entire existence. When you start profiting in the markets, whether it's a substantial sum or a modest gain, the best course of action is to do nothing. I'm frequently asked, I've passed my challenge, received funding, and now I'm on my 5th payout. What should I change to scale up and earn more? My response is unequivocal: absolutely nothing. You've cracked the code, you're already profitable. Scaling up and managing larger funds requires time, additional challenges, and compounded profits. Don't alter a single thing you've been doing for the past 6 months to a year, whatever duration it took to achieve those results. Consistency is key. Don't fix what isn't broken. Contrary to popular belief, it's not the losses that demoralize people. Rather, it's the fall from grace after experiencing success. This leads to a frantic search for new strategies, mentors, and ultimately a downward spiral that could have been avoided by simply sticking to the plan. Finally, my favorite point, there's no such thing as overnight wealth. Many individuals on social media depict trading as a quick and effortless way to amass wealth. I fell victim to this illusion myself. When I started trading, witnessing successful traders making tens of thousands of dollars a day, I thought, if I could just get a fraction of that, I'd be content. However, the reality is far from glamorous. Even if you do achieve significant profits quickly, you'll find yourself unsatisfied and constantly chasing more. I attempted to turn $100 into $1 million and succeeded to some extent, but ultimately lost it all, a journey I documented on YouTube to demonstrate the unsustainability of this approach. While it's possible to achieve rapid gains, it's not sustainable. Instead of fixating on quick riches, focus on learning the craft thoroughly. Once you've mastered the intricacies of trading, profits will naturally follow. I can attest to this firsthand. I recently completed the $100 to $1 million challenge to illustrate that with a profitable strategy, any goal is attainable. Therefore, prioritize learning the craft over the allure of immediate wealth. It's crucial to recognize that the person I am today is vastly different from who I was 5 or 6 years ago when I began trading. Back then, I was in a completely different lifestyle, smoking weed, working at Dunkin' Donuts, and frequently waking up late. To become a profitable trader, albeit unconventional, requires a complete transformation because your current habits, routines, and beliefs are incongruent with the demands of successful trading. This is the unvarnished truth. Achieving profitability in trading and the freedom to generate income from anywhere in the world necessitates specific skill sets and a corresponding mindset. While anyone can attain this, it requires meeting the standards and expectations set by the market. Every profitable trader you encounter has undergone significant personal and routine changes. I can assure you of that. This is one of the most critical points I wish I had grasped early in my trading journey. Understanding this could have saved me roughly 1.5 years of uncertainty and questioning. I've taken students who were complete novices in trading and guided them to generating between $1,000 and $1,500 a week within the first 3 months using my set and forget strategy. Don't just take my word for it. There are thousands of traders utilizing this strategy daily. We convene weekly to discuss the top pairs I trade, enabling us to trade together and connect with like-minded individuals. If you're interested in learning more about the set and forget strategy and engaging in weekly discussions with me, click the link in the description below. I've provided a video detailing the components of the set and forget strategy. Initially, witnessing someone earning $50,000 to $100,000 a day may seem daunting. However, within the set and forget community, students consistently making $1,000 to $1,500 a week is considered the norm. If you're curious to learn more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching the videos until the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.